Temu time. Let's see what things I bought, how useful they're going to be. So what we got? Screwdrivers by the looks of it. Start playing game. This is right, isn't it? Oh, there you go. Oh dear. Well, they were free as a gift. I mean, they might do for me computer stuff. Yeah, they might do for taking laptops apart. I'm guessing you slide it, do you? Oh, kind of. What else we got there? Yeah, let's get off a bit. A big package now. Ooh, a load of brown box stuff. An industrial amount of cutters by the looks of it. I might end up keeping them in this box. Everything's smaller than you think from this teeny place. It'll come in handy for something. Picking my teeth with by the looks of it. And they'll come in handy. Let's see, click wires, I think. They'll come in handy for wires and stuff. I'm guessing they, yeah, cable ties, flush cuts. It's a bit sticky. Yeah, they do the job. Right, hang on. Okay, next. What do you reckon this is? Oh, I think I know this will be boring, but useful. Putting blue roll on in the garage. That'll come handy. Start. Next up, feels like tent pegs. Oh my word, get the spanners, let's have a look. Yeah, set of spanners. Well, 10, 11, 8, 13. Well, I won't be doing much on my starlet then, because that's mostly 12. It'll do for summit. Okay. Oh, when I'm doing cable ties and stuff, it means I can like clip them, because they kind of just go all over the place. You know, once you take a few out of the bag and that. So yeah, that's what that's for. Oh yeah, you put your cable ties in there and then it holds them up. There you go. Two for the price of one here. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it says magnetic screw holder. More like another screw holder. Don't remember ordering two. Oh yeah. These look so big on the website. These things do. I always fall for it. Looks like a massive drying towel. And it's about the size of a piece of A4 paper. It'll do for polishing the car with, I suppose. Again, always fall for it. Can't remember how much I ordered. What are these? Oh, these are just hooks, I think. Yeah. Just garage wall hooks. Nothing exciting there. I don't think there's anything exciting in this. What's this? Oh, hang on. Oh yes, wrist digital multimeter. Come with batteries? It does. Put that on your wrist and then check for voltage and stuff without having the multimeter hanging about everywhere. That'll come in handy. Very good. Alright, what else? Over there. Okay. Again, this looked bigger. Yeah, this looked bigger. And it also looked electric. As in, it looked like it lit up, and it I've been out again. I don't even have any snap-on tools. Mine will Temu in Parkside with the odd bit of Milwaukee thrown in. Last thing. And this again's just I own old Ford's, the illegal wheel, so this goes underneath the car to sort of soak up saddle wheel. So yeah, there you go. What's going to be useful? I'm hoping that the spanners, as long as I don't want to do too tight with them, then they're probably not going to be magnetic, but they might do for me laptop repairs. That'll be a clock, it's tiny, but it'll be alright. Garage hooks, I needed them, so I ordered them. Them pliers and stuff, they'll come in handy. And that'll come in handy too. So, not too bad. Don't think there's anything more coming. I have these evenings where I'm bored and I just jump on Temu and then make stupid decisions. Anyway, catch you around.